So here at OLPRO we do 4 types of Driveaway kit, and I just want to explain what they're for and why they're different really. So on your van, if you've got a rail on the van like this, these are 6mm the rail here, then you would use a 6-to-6 Driveaway kit. Now that means that there's a 6mm beading on one side of this piece of K-door here and a 6mm on there as well. So that goes into your awning rail like so, all the way along. And then what you've got is 3 pieces of something that's called figure of 8. Now if you look at it that way, then it looks like an 8, and it's 2 pieces of plastic. So they slide on to the beading like so. Like that. Okay, and then what you've got on all our awnings, this is the back of the tunnel here, you've got the equivalent beading of 6mm there, and that goes onto the figure of 8. Like so. So then what that gives you is that when you want to drive away, all you have to do is pull the figure of 8 away. So the plastic pieces just come sliding off one at a time, and then the awning will drop down like so. So that's the 6mm. Another Driveaway kit we do is 4-to-6mm. So if you haven't got a rail like this on your van, if you've got a wind out sun awning, so it'll be a box on the side of the van which winds out with a handle. On the front of that sun canopy there's a very small channel which is smaller than the 6mm, it's a 4mm. So the only reason why you would need a 4-to-6mm Driveaway kit is if you've got one of those sun awnings. This could be a Fiamma, a Dometic, or a Thule, or an Omnistore as well. Okay. Now the other way that you could do this is if you didn't have a rail at all. That's all. Just take the awning off. You may have something like a T2 or a T25, and all they've got is basically, they wouldn't have this rail unless you've had it put on, but they would have a gutter rail, so something where the water runs down off the roof. What you could use is something called figure of 8, what we've got with the Driveaway kit, and all that does is basically clips onto the gutter like so. And again, once you've put that on, 3 pieces, you've got your awning with the tunnel, and again that will slide into the figure of 8 like so. So when that's on your van like that, your awning would be here, and it's attached via the gutter rail and the figure of 8 there. And again, when you want to drive away, all you do is pull the figure of 8 forwards, and then it should just clip off the gutter. So the last way, if you've not got any rail or any gutter on the van at all, you you can still attach using a magnetic Driveaway kit, which is basically the same as the other Driveaway kits, but apart from the other piece of beading, it's got magnets in this piece of material here running all the way along the van. All you do is stick it to the metal part of the roof like so. You've also got guideline points, three of them on the way down, so you can tie a guideline as well to make sure that it attaches good. And then again, like you did with the other Driveaway kit, you would attach a piece of figure of 8 like so. And then again, this is your awning here off the tunnel with the beading on, and that again goes in the figure of 8 like so. And then when you want to drive away, all you do is you pull away the figure of 8 like so, and the awning drops down.